All right, welcome to Virginia Key. So we're here. We're gonna take a quick spin. Let me show you where we're at and what we're doing. It's a little bit windy today. This little puppy's gonna have a bit of a time, and I think there's a car behind me somewhere. Yep. So we would like to see exactly what has changed here. I'm gonna show you the pump track in a second. It is really, really windy, and the video is really struggling. Can you see it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop at this point, and I'm gonna let you know that this place is really wild, really windy, really crazy. And I'm gonna rescue my Neo. Come on back, puppy. Come on. Come on. Oh, go in the cave. Alright, well I don't know if you saw that, but I met a Rich over there who does vlogging on his powered skateboard, and I took it around the pump track, and it was really windy out there, and I have never actually seen the DJI Neo just land, which is what it did. It just landed. That is Rich on my shoulder over there. He's gonna send me a clip. You guys take a look at this. This is the first time ever I've seen this. So anyway, hey Rich. Stress less, ride more, ride smarter, ride safe. See you guys later.